Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new here, almost all, my name is Zeddy. So on Sunday I was very bored because Valorant servers are down, so I went on YouTube to see what my favorite YouTubers are doing, and I saw they are creating challenging video like making a game in 12 hours, which actually takes more than 12 hours, but hey, who cares about that? You care? Huh? You care? Anyone who cares about that? So in this video we are going to create a game in 12 hours. It might be easy if I surely know what I have to create. It might be easy if I surely know what I have to create. First step, take pen and paper and write your idea. And after spending like 2 hours I came out with a great game idea. A game in which you have to collect food and avoid food. Does that make any sense? Yes, I mean you have to avoid bone or... So first step done, it's time to step 2, collect all assets that we are going to use in our game. So for player I'm going to use my channel logo, and for background sounds and fruits I'm going to use Unity Asset Store. Final step, building our game. Create new project in Unity Hub. So finally Unity show mercy on us and our project is ready. So first thing first, we have to add background in which we're gonna add parallax. I don't know how to pronounce it, but hey, you got my point. So we're gonna add that, but not now. Let's drag our player in scene and make him move. And to move player we have to create a new C# script. So after some coding now our player can move perfect. And when I say perfect, okay, now it's work. But our game is looking kind of boring because we don't have any obstacles or score system, so we have to create one. So I'm gonna import this asset from Unity Asset Store, and now we have so many fruits, and when I say so many it means so many. So select and drag them in scene, only required one. And also add circle collider, rigid body, and also create new prefab folder. Drag all game object, not all, only the fruits, in prefab folder. And for traps we are going to use some seafood and bones. Last but not least, adding score text and create new C# script in which we are going to manage fruit spawner and UI. So our fruit spawn works perfect but do not sync with score text. I don't know why. So I did play a script, and now it works. And now it's time to make our background move. So our game is ready, only thing is left is sounds. So after adding some sounds, this is how it looks. But something is still missing. Can you guess? Okay, I gave you 5 seconds. Oh, you need a hint? Well, okay. Find what is missing in this photo. Come on, this is easy. Yeah, you are right. Or might be wrong. I'm talking about post-processing. So after applying post-processing, this is how it looks. And the final result of our game. So that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till that, goodbye.